Hello students, now I will explain matrices intermediate 1a, some more introduction and some definitions. So next definition is equality of matrices. So matrices A and B are said to be equal if A and B are of same order and the corresponding elements of A and B are same, and corresponding elements of A and B are same. So matrices A and B are said to be equal if A and B are of same order and corresponding elements of A and B are same. Means order of matrix should be same. If you are taking 2 by 2 matrix means other also 2 by 2, and elements should also same. So for understanding definition, I have taken A is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. So it is a 2 by 3 matrix. So B is equals to B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. So it is also 2 by 3 matrix. So whatever element is there in first row, first column, same element should present in corresponding in B also, first row, first element. Similarly, first row, second column element and first row, second column element should be same. Similarly, third. Next, in second row, first element also should be same. Second row, second column element also should be same. Second row, third column element should also be same. So for understanding, I have marked like this. If you take example like this, A is equals to 2, 3, 0, minus 1. Next, B should be also same numbers and same order. Here 2 by 2 matrix, here also 2 by 2 matrix. Elements also should be same. If we are taking here 2 means here also it should be 2. If we are taking 3, 3, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1. So how will you compare here? Same. 2, 2. Next 3, 3, 0, 0. Next second row, second column, minus 1. Here also second row, second column is minus 1. So A is of order 2 by 2, B is also of order 2 by 2. So A is same as B. Means we can say it is equality of matrices. Is this clear, children? So next, sum of two matrices. Sum of two matrices. Let A and B be matrices of same order. Then the sum of A and B denoted by A plus B is defined as matrix of same order in which each element is sum of corresponding elements of A and B. A and B. So here elements may be different but order of matrix should be same. Elements may be different but order of matrix should be same. If you are taking 2 by 2 matrix means you should take 2 by 2 matrix only. Otherwise, if you are taking rectangular matrix means you should take rectangular matrix only. You can take either two square matrices or two rectangular matrices, but order should be same. So then A plus B is equals to Cij m by n, where Cij is equals to Aij plus Bij. So if you see example, A is equals to 2, 4, 0, minus 1, B is equals to 3, 5, 2, 1. So if you are doing A plus B means you should add in A element first row first element with second B element first row first element. So 2 plus 3, that I have written like this. Next, similarly 4 plus 5. Next 0 plus 2. Next minus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel means how much? 0. So this step is known as sum of two matrices. So next we are having properties of addition of matrices. Properties of addition of matrices. So let A is equals to Aij m by n matrix, comma B is equals to Bij m by n, and C is equals to Aij m by n. So first commutative property. So these type of properties you are studying from since your 7th standard. All these properties what you are studied there, same properties, but according to concept only we are giving examples. That's it. Commutative property means what? A plus B is same as B plus A. That is known as commutative property, well known for you. So if you take example, A is equals to 1 2 3 4, B is equals to minus 2 6 7 minus 8. So here order is 2 by 2, here also 2 by 2. A plus B if we are taking. So here you should add first element with the corresponding second matrix first row first element. So 1 plus of minus 5. Similarly 2 plus 6. Next 3 plus 7, that only I have written. Next 4 plus of minus 8. Why? Because whenever negative symbol is there, you should take open small brackets and write. Why? Because see, if you change the symbols, the answer will come wrong. So here write 1 as it is, plus into minus how much, minus. So 5 I wrote as it is, 2 plus 6 8. Next 3 plus 7 is 10. Next 4 I wrote as it is, plus into minus is how much, minus 8. So therefore 1 minus 5, big number is having negative symbol, so answer will come negative. And write minus as it is, 5 minus 1 how much, 4. Overall answer is minus 4. 8 I wrote, 10 I wrote. Here also big number is having negative symbol, so write minus as it is, 8 minus 4 is 4. So overall answer is minus 4. Next consider B plus A. So means first you should take B elements, next A elements. So here also same, minus 5 plus 1. Next 6 plus 2. Next 7 plus 3. Next minus 8 plus 4. That only I have written. So here also big number is having negative symbol, write negative. And 5 minus 1 is how much, 4. Overall answer is minus 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. Next minus 8 plus 4 means the big number is having negative symbol, right? Minus as it is, 8 minus 4 is 4. Overall answer is minus 4. From 1 and 2 we are getting same answers. So commutative property is satisfied. Next associative property. A plus of B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. So in similar way you can take examples and you can prove. Next additive identity. A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A is equals to A, where 0 is called null matrix of same order m by n. Means you can take here any values. In place of 0 you should take according to whatever you are taking order. If you are taking 2 by 2 square matrix means you have to take 4 numbers. So here you should add with 4 zeros, 0 0 0 0, that like it will come. So null matrix of same order m by n. So 0 is called additive identity. Next additive inverse. I will explain this type of model problems are there in your exercise problems. Next additive inverse means a plus b is equals to b plus a is equals to 0. A plus b is equals to b plus a is equals to 0, where 0 is the null matrix of same order m by n. So b is equals to minus a. Is called additive inverse of a. If we are taking here negative number means here it will come positive number. If you are taking here positive number means here it will come negative number. Why? Because answer should get how much, 0. Means you should change the signs of symbols or numbers. Next scalar multiple of a matrix. Let A be a matrix of order m by n and k be a scalar. Then the m by n matrix obtained by multiplying each element of A by k is called scalar multiple of A. So whatever number if you are multiplying with k means for given matrix if you are multiplying with 2 means 2, 3 means 3, 5 means 5. So that multiple is known as scalar multiple of matrix A and it is denoted by Ka. So if A is equals to Aij m by n, then Ka is equals to Kaij m by n. So if you are taking example like this, if A is equals to 2 0 minus 3 minus 1, 2 by 2 square matrix I have taken, and K value is I have taken 3. So I want to find Ka value means how, 3 into A. I wrote 3 as it is, A value I wrote as it is. Now we should send 3 inside. 3 into 2, next 3 into 0, next minus next 3 into minus 3, next 3 into minus 1, that only I have written. So 3 to the how much, 6, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 3 plus into minus is minus 3, 3 the how much, 9, 3 into minus 1 how much, minus 3. So in this way we will find scalar multiple of given matrix. Is it clear, children? Next we will study properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. Let A and B be matrices of same order and alpha comma beta be scalars. Then first property is alpha into beta A is equals to alpha into beta into A is equals to beta into alpha A. So this type of model problems are there, I will explain. Next property is alpha plus beta A is equals to alpha A plus beta A. Simply we are sending A inside. Next alpha into A plus B means we have to send alpha inside, alpha A plus alpha B. Next alpha into 0 is equals to 0. Next 0 into A is equals to 0. So this is about properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. So the direct properties sometimes they will ask in competitive exams like MCET, IIT. So they will ask and they will give options like that. Next question we'll do, this is important problem. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are defined by Aij is equal to of modulus I minus 3j. So he is asking to construct 3 by 2 matrix for given information. This is the given information. So a 3 by 2 matrix is given by A is equals to 3 by 2 means you should take 3 rows 2 columns, A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. So in this I indicates row, J indicates column. So this Aij value in question itself is given, Aij equal to half into modulus I minus 3j. So I want to find A11 first of all. Why? Because first here it is there. A11 means row value 1, column value 1. So I value 1, j value 1, half into 1 minus 3 into 1. So 1 I wrote as it is, 3 1 the 3. So 1 minus 3, how much? Big number having negative symbol. So minus 2. Modulus of negative, it will become positive. So half into 2. 2 to cancel means 1. Next, if similarly we have to find A12. Here I value is 1, j value is 2. Half into modulus. So I minus 3j is given in question. I value is how much? 1. Minus 3 into j value is 2. So 1 minus 3 to the 6. So 1 minus 6 how much? Minus 5. Big number having negative sign. Well, that's why minus 5. Modulus of minus is positive. So 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into 5 is nothing but 5 by 2. Next A21 is equal to half of. Here I value is 2. J value is 1. So 2 minus 3 into 1. So 2 I wrote as it is, 3 1 the 3. 2 minus 3 is how much? Minus 1. So modulus of minus is plus. So half into 1 is nothing but half. Next A22 is equal to half into. Here I value 2, j value also 2. 2 minus 3 into 2. 2 I wrote as it is, minus 3 to the how much? 6. So 2 minus 6 how much? Minus 4. Modulus of negative is positive. So here 2 1s are 2 4, 2 2s are. So overall answer is A22 is equal to 2. Next A31 is equal to half of. Here I value is 3, j value is 1. So 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 1 the 3. 3 minus 3 how much? 0. Modulus of 0 is 0. Half into 0 is nothing but 0. Next last value A32 is equal to half of mod. Here I value is 3, j value is 2. 3 minus 3 into 2. So 3 minus 3 to the 6. So here big number is having negative symbol. So you'll get answer in negative. 3 minus 6 is how much? Minus 3. Modulus of negative will become positive. 1 by 2 into 3 is nothing but 3 by 2. So we have taken this matrix. So A11 how much we got? 1. A12 we got 5 by 2. A21 we got 1 by 2. A22 we got 2. A31 how much we got? 0. A32 how much we got? 3 by 2. So problem is completed. So this type of problem is very important for 4 marks. So in next session I will explain some more properties and some more problems. Okay, thank you.